Welcome back to another Lego video. Today we're going to be making the bird. I'm guessing this is like a parrot, I guess. No clue how this is gonna go. I wonder if I'm gonna go crazy like I did in the last video where I messed up one bit and then it took me another 15-20 minutes. But yeah, let's see how this goes. So another difficult box opening. Okay, easy. As easy as that. Jesus. Oh, these ones come in like... Oh, these come in paper. Oh, I actually like that. Because I was saying in the last one, I was like, that's a lot of plastic. Like, that is a lot of pieces of plastic. That's the fishy. I also want to make the frog. Oh, they even have like... open... Oh, that is so much better. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna look at how many steps. It's 108 steps. Ah, crap. Ah, man. I'm gonna do a lot of editing on this one. Because I want to bring it down to that 45-minute mark, or we're gonna be here all day. Okay, so let's get this started. Oh yeah, I have this really cool like fidget toy. We've been making a video. I want to make a video on fidget toys because I'm really into fidget toys at the moment. What do we? This is already blowing my mind with confusion. But as long as we just follow the instructions, just grab the pieces we need, follow the instructions, we will be a-okay. I'm actually on a roll. Last video was kind of like an adjustment. Now, I've kind of like, I understand what I need to do. And then that's done for now. So we'll put that aside. Now we're going on to the next thing, which we need that. And there you have it. There's a flower. That's pretty cool, I gotta admit, I do like that. Doesn't exactly look like a crazy flower or anything, but that looks pretty good. I like that. Okay, so we'll put that aside again. Now it wants us to make another one, but purple. So we're pretty much just gonna skip this, and then I'll just have a flower in front of you, because this is gonna be a 5-hour long video otherwise. This one is gonna be purple. As you can see, it's like a purpley color instead. Alrighty, we are back. I have finished our next flower, and we attach that onto the other arm, whatever that one is. There we go. So we got our other arm, and we just clip it on like so. Oh, alright, there we go. And there we go. Now we've got our two beautiful flowers right next to each other. Look at that. That looks really nice. That looks really good. I like that. That's really nice. Alrighty, and then on to the next part. We need that next leaf. Then we need like little T-Rex legs. That's how I'm describing them, because they look like literal little like T-Rex legs. It's a foot. Look, it's a foot. It's the foot for the parrot. Oh, okay, okay. Look at that! That looks so good. Wow, that actually looks amazing. Look at those. And they move like a little bit. So like, oh, that's actually awesome. I love that. That might be my favorite part of this whole thing. Okay, oh, here we go. Now I know what the other one does. That goes on the other end. Wow, how anticlimactic for the other end. Just goes on like that. Wow. Okay. Alrighty, moving on to the actual bird itself. So I can put that aside for now, because we're moving on to the more technical part. How exciting. Oh my god, that looks so sick. Look at that. It's starting to come together, man. Woo! How exciting. We're already on step 60. This is actually going so quick. Okay, so I'm gonna put that aside so I don't knock it, because I'm so anxious of knocking it. Oh, it's a wing! Oh, that's so cool. That's a wing. Oh, man, that's awesome. Alrighty, we had some recording issues again, but this is what we're up to. I'm not wanting to pull this apart and redo it because, like, I don't want to be here for 8 years. So yeah, this is what we're up to. Yeah, we're doing awesome on this one. It's like 108 steps and we're over halfway to the end. I am super pumped about this. This is looking awesome. It's looking more and more like a bird. Like, it's so cool. Okay. Oh, this is a funny looking piece I've never seen before. Wow, and then it's got like a little... That's cool. I've never seen that piece. That's cool. I love finding new things in Lego. It's honestly just, it's so exciting. Okay. So that goes onto the back clips there. Like that. You just gotta be really careful with this part because you can break the bird easily. So I'm gonna try and sit it and push against. There we go. Now we've got 2 wings on there and the tail. That looks awesome. On to the next part. We're doing the head. We are actually flying through this one. Like, it is insane how quick we are getting through this. I guess that little thing there stops that from pushing forward, which stops it from coming off. That's pretty smart. That is smart thinking. Oh my god, guess what? And then that goes onto there. God, I'm doing this while it's already on. That is so risky. Because one wrong push and the whole thing will come off. I could break the whole thing right now if I'm not careful. Last piece. Last piece. And there we are. We're done. Holy moly, we did it. There we go. That is my parrot. I'm going to try and use the GoPro shot as well. Because like, you'll see it kind of in like a nice B-roll shot soon, but there we go. Zoom out. Wow, it's done. That looks amazing. That looks so good. Wow, I love that so much. That looks so good. Another one done, and more pieces left over. That's why I've got a Ziploc bag and I just write on it like, you know, parrot leftover pieces, because then when we make the frog, we'll probably have to use some of those pieces. But yeah. Alrighty, thank you all for coming out and watching me build a parrot out of Lego. It's so cool. Like, I want the wings out a little bit more as far as they can go, so it looks kind of like standoffish. And I want the tail sticking out a little bit. That's so cool, I love it. That looks so good. You're gonna see some awesome B-roll footage of my parrot. But thank you all for coming out, and I will catch yous on the next video.